Hey guys, and welcome back. Right, today we're going to do something special. We're going to go up to the mountain that overlooks Barcelona. It gives us a good commanding view of the whole of Barcelona, and it's a place called Tibidabo. So that should be really good. So let's do it, shall we? Back in a bit. Now, excuse all of the stoplights, because there are so many of them in Barcelona. Barcelona's built mainly around a grid system, so learning how each of the systems work around Barcelona's well, throughout Spain. Most of the Gothic cities, and Barcelona has got some of the most beautiful Gothic buildings in the whole of Spain. We'll see those probably another day. Today what I wanted to do was actually go up into the mountain and just do something totally different. So it's nice to be able to get out of Barcelona without having to go far. And considering it's only 6.5 kilometers, so 4 miles, that's not too bad. Another intersection, again, as I was saying, but it's a beautiful crisp winter's day. It's a balmy 19 degrees. And for winter, I mean, man, we are talking crazy weather. 19 degrees, I mean, look at that sky. Awesome, huh? I got no complaints. Now, as I say, because we keep on hitting different grids and intersecting different grids, as you can use them, and I'll cut them out so it'll be a lot easier, and then we won't have to worry about it. Because I don't know about you, but I get so pissed off waiting at stop signs. Lovely old building there. Some of the Gothic architecture around here is amazing. And the problem is, everywhere there's graffiti. But Barcelona's clean. It's a clean city. The streets are kept clean, the roads are kept clean. Hey, what can we do? So over the next few stop signs, I'm going to be not talking, and these will get chopped out in the final editing. I may not chop that building out because, man, that is different. It's really a beautiful building. Maybe all stop signs after this one I'll cut out. For me doing my normal speeds, as I would in back in Bavaria, I was going to say at home in Bavaria, but it's not my home anymore. I could get €600 fines, so about £425, £450, or about $500. And these are on the spot fines, so these aren't fines that they send through the post. Here the police will drive you to the a cash point and take the money from you, so it's a bit different. So a lot of these, as I say, a lot of these intersections, they will be removed unless they have some form of significance. If they don't, then I'll just bin them. Man, no wonder the Spanish are good at MotoGP. On scooters, they just don't give a damn where they're going. They just go. It's point and squirt, baby. We're gone. Just showing there that a K1600 can mix it too. We got the short-term acceleration that can get us into and out of trouble very quickly. Now I know I'm going in the right way because I'm going uphill all the time. So we're heading to the top of I don't know whether it's called a mountain or just a large hill. I'll check that and put a little white up on it as well. But it's fun anyway. the target up there. But now we've got some nice roads, even if I have got a white van in front of me. But with a K1600, that's never for long. Just for info guys, that was a second gear screen. Look at some of the buildings up there, they are stunning. Commanding views. So these will be the old, I mean man, these must be private houses, big palazzas. I think I should have started the introduction into Barcelona from here, because I mean, oh man, the views that I'm seeing already are cool, and being able to come up little roads like this. I mean, we're going up there, but we have to go around the around the hill. Actually, no, I'd say when we get to the top, I think we can safely call it a mountain. It seems to be relatively high. What I'll do is I'll put some facts and figures in for it and insert them into various different frames throughout, so we'll learn a little bit more about it as well. I'm not a fan of these. It means that you can't drift on a corner. They're very hard fixed. And that Volvo stopped me going past. My fault. I should have thought about it sooner coming out, and I could have just squirted past him. Gonna do it on this one? Not really much. That's where we're going, guys, over there. respect for the push bike riders, but no. Guys, it looks like there was parking up here. So I've parked Sam over there in the car park, and here is part of the reason why this is a special place to come and just look at Barcelona.